Hello students, welcome in my class. Today I explain chapter 1 part 2. In the part 2, one of the basic topics I just touched in here, real numbers and their decimal expansions. Yes students, in the part already you known one of the natural number, then after whole number, then after integers and rational number, and here irrational number. These all kind of present in that our real numbers. Yes students, today I explained related real numbers decimal form. Yes students, decimal form must be represent in this form for the Q for rational numbers. So there are two types of number. One of the decimal, either terminate number and that kind of number is called our first of all natural number. All natural number it is called a decimal number. All whole number is also called decimal number. All integers is also decimal number, and some other decimal number also available, just like of Q, P by Q forms, just like 1 by 2, either 5 by 10, it is 0.5, it is called a decimal number. Negative also possible there. So always decimal numbers are terminate. One more kind of number in Q also. In Q available for rational number, decimal is sure, but other number also are available, non-terminate, but recurring number. Yes, non-terminate but recurring number. That types of number also available in the Q form. So these are the Q forming and this also Q forming, and this I is a number always non-terminate and non-recurring. Q related numbers, I related numbers, always which kind of number? Irrational number. It is a non-terminate and non-recurring number. That type of number are present in the I. So let's I explain simple examples related these are topics. Clear? Already 3 examples given in your book. I just explained our textbook examples. So related that Q and I just explain here short example for you. 10 by 3, 7 by 8 and 1 by 7 convert into decimal form and identify which kind of this number. It means rational number or irrational number. So let's start students. First I go to 10 by 3. Just I go to our long division, 10 by 3, 3 3s are 9, only 1 left, here points and here 0. Again 3 3s are 9, 1 left, here 0. Again 3 3s are 9, 1 left, 0. Again 3 3s are 9, 1 left, 0. It means students this process are infinite many ways going. So our 10 by 3 number, it is 3.33333333. Check, this data is a non-terminate. Non-terminate means they are not stopping at any way. Continue moving ahead and ahead. And check, that is a repeated number. So that type of number is, it is a rational number. Because there are two speciality. One, non-terminate, and recurring number. Students, these are not a decimal number, but sure, it is a rational number because it is a non-terminate and it is a recurring number. Clear? Now I go to next example. Ahead to 7 by 8. 7 by 8 also going. Just long division apply here 7 and here 8. You know that 0 point definitely right and here 70. 8 table nearest 70. I think 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 72. Next, how many remaining? 6 remaining. So 60. Next, 8 8s are 70. 64 then. Now 8 7s are 56. How much it is? Remaining 4. So 40. And 8 5s are 40. Here remainder 0. Students, whenever you remainder 0, a number, it is terminate. Here not remainder 0. So it is a non-terminate. But here remainder, here 0. Means my answer is a terminate number. And terminate number is also, it is decimal number. And decimal number is our rational number. So I just called here 7 by 8, which is 0.875. It is rational number and it's a terminate number. Yes students, these are the two specialty for 10 by 3, 7 by 8. Don't worry, one more numericals I checked down 1 by 7. Same as going ahead to 1 by 7. So here one example. Continue to 1 by 7. Again go to long division. Here 1, but here 7. Check them. It is a divisible by first 0 point. Here 10. 7 1s are 7. How much remaining? 3. So 30. 7 4s are 28. 2 remaining 20. Next 7 2s are 14. How much remaining? 6. 60. 7 8s are 56. It is 20. Sorry, 40. Now students continue. 7 5s are. It is 35. How much remaining? 5. Means 50. Again 7 7s are 49. How much remaining? 1. Means 10. So this 10 now again repetition. It means this number is moving ahead 1 4 2 8 5 7 till last up to again and again and again repeated. That's why I just called 1 by 7 is a 0.142857 bar. This is called bar. Bar means nothing students, it is repeated numbers, recurring numbers. So this kind of answer is also, it is rational number and it is, I just telling, non-terminate and non-terminate and recurring number. Yes students, if your numbers are non-terminate and non-recurring, then you can call it is a irrational number. This is a different number and here I just explaining for the rational number related our these values. So one more time repeat, a number having decimal either terminate, then it is a rational. Either a number non-terminate but it is recurring, then also it is called rational number. And last, if you number non-terminate, non-recurring, then you can say it is our irrational number. Yes, properly right. Now one more example students, sixth one. Show that 3.142678 is a rational number and converting into P by Q forms. So a given number have x is equal to 3.142678. Students, how many decimal here? 1, 4, 2, 4, 2, 6, total are the 6 decimals. So 3, 1, 4, 2, 6, 7, 8. divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Surely it get P by Q forms. So it is a rational number. Yes, every P by Q forming numbers are always rational number. Students, this number are the decimal form. It is decimal form. Means it is a terminate number. Yes, students. This number is called terminate number. That's why also we can call here P by Q forms and easily getting our these types of answers. Continue, students. Example 7. Show that 0.33333333 it is non-terminate but recurring number 0.3 bar can be expressed in P by Q forms. So yes, definitely it is expressed in P by Q forms. So I taking our given question X 0.3 bar, which is called 333333 till up to infinity base. Now students, here check our number repeat single number. So you multiply by 10. If you number repeat 2, then multiply 100. If you 3 number repeated, then you multiply 1000. So here I one number repeated. So I go to we multiply 10 on both side. Yes, students. So here 10 multiply, then it is 10x. If you here 10 multiply, my answer is 3.333333, and these two are subtractions. Students, this subtraction are easily because here 1x minus 10x, these are I subtracted. It is totally I getting minus 9x. And here subtractions, just I side by side showing 3.333333 minus 0. Same as just subtract you getting 3.0000, and just here write down minus 3.0000. Minus minus gone. Only I have 3 by 9. It means 1/3. And sure, my numerical is done here. 0.3 bar. It is 1/3, which is P by Q form. And sure, it's our expressions here simple way over here. Students, necessary you show these values compulsory in exam for subtractions. And here, why multiply 10? Because a single number repeat. If you 2 number repeat, then you multiply by here 100. 3 number repeat, then you multiply by here 1000. Then easily you getting our P by Q forms. Students, this form is our P by Q forms, and these are the our 0.3 bar, both of our rational number. Yes. One more numerical, students. Example 8. Show that 1.27272727 means 27 bar. It is repeated, converting into our again form our P by Q forming. So I start our question X. 1.27 bar. It is repeated to 27, 27, 27, dot. Students, check here. Numbers are repeated in the 2 times. So here I multiply by 100 on both sides. We multiply 100 on both sides. So these are number getting 100x same. Here 100 multiply. So 127.272727, and these two are subtractions. These are the main steps, students. If your 2 data repeated, then you multiply by 100. Now these two are the subtraction, students. Only that here 1x and 100x, both of the subtraction. How much it is? Yes, minus 99x. And this side I just show out our subtraction 127.272727, this number taking. Now this number minus 1 point exact decimal, right? And here 126.0000, but this number is higher number, so minus 126.0000 numbers. So finally this minus and this minus gone. X I have 126 by 99. Yes students, till up to over, but I further calculate, it is 11 nines are. And here also cancellations by NU product known, after that 1 to 6. I think 6 are known U. 6 2s are 12 and 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12 and 6 1s are 6. This definitely cancel. Here 2s are 3 or here 3 3s are. Next 3 into 7s are. Finally 2 into 7. My answer 14 by 11, which is your P by Q form. And this numerical here happily our done. So it's very simple, some students. One more time repeat. These are the important. 2 times repeat, then you multiply 100. Sometime 3 repeated, then you multiply by that 1000, and very easily you getting your forming P by Q forms. Continue going students. Example 9. Same question. 0.235353535 means 35 is repeated. So given question 0.35 bar. This bar is only given on the top of the 35. Means only 2 number is repeated. So same I explain you in this sum. Our question is X 0.235 here bar. So I just getting 0.2 here 35 35 35 35. Continue move ahead. Now we multiply how much? 100. Yes, if you 2 data repeated, then multiply 100 on the both side. So here 100x. If you here 100 multiply, then 23 is done. So 23 point, because 100 multiply you 5 35 35 35 dot 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 dot, and here just getting 100 minus 99x, because these two are the subtractions, 1x and minus 100x, it getting minus 99x. And this side your subtraction is ready. 23.53 53 535, and these are same 0.2 35 35 35. Now just you subtract them. So this up to it is 0. All data. But here how much? It is 5 minus 2 3. It is 23.3, and that value I just here write down 23.3. Now minus minus gone. X getting 23.3 by 99. So 233 99 with 10, because here one decimal I just divided. So my answer 233 by 990, which is your P by Q form. And here our one more illustrations. Here happily done. Here happily done. Correct? These are the main points. 100 multiples, because the 2 number repeated, that's why students. And after that you simple calculate by the subtraction wise, and that getting your simple way answer. Now students, example 10. Question is there. Find an irrational number. Now not a rational. Here asking irrational number between this 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. So students, first of all, in example, I just explain you 1 by 7, 0.142857 bar. Already you know that it is value for 142857 in your example. I think fit today I explain you. So here direct calculate, and this 2 by 7, just I calculate 2 into 1 by 7, which is value for 0.142857 bar, and just you multiply that 1 by 1. 7 2s are 14, 1 carry. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11, 1 carry. 8 2s are 16 plus 1 17, 1 carry. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, and 14 2s are 28. This value, it is called your 2 by 7. Now students, this is your number line. That your 1 by 7, that's your 2 by 7. And between numbers are many numbers are available in this betweenness. I want to only one number. So this number necessary students, 0.14 to more number and 0.28 to less number. So just I mention there are many, means infinite numbers between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. That's the sure. I want any one number. So we write down any one number. More than 0.14 but less than 0.28. So I just telling 0.1528729432, any number write up. Any, because irrational number having no repeated data. But more than this number, students, you also started here 0.16 other number, 0.16729842, any write. I just write down any number. Same as also you write down 0.17, 0.18, correct? Before 0.28. So as you wish, any number you show, that is our final answer. And students, 1 by 7, 142857 bar already I explained in the example 5. That's why here I just direct written. Okay.